Hello everyone, it's Hanny with the drawing of the winner of my 6,000 plus plus giveaway, because the plus, well, it's 1,500 now, so I have 7,500 subscribers at this moment. Thank you so much. I did the drawing at 12 o'clock noon Amsterdam time, and the winner, well, I'll show you the drawing first and then I will be back. Hello everyone, it's Hanny. It's 12 o'clock Monday, the 19th of April, and I have the YouTube comment picker here for my giveaway draw. I filled in the address, the URL address. I will filter duplicate users. I include replies to comments. I didn't comment, but there were a few, they put their comments as an answer, so I will include that. So I will get the comments, 116 unique comments, and here I have to search you, support, share. Where should I? Oh, here. Here it is. Start. Grammy EM. That's the winner of my giveaway. Congratulations, Grammy EM. I'm back. Grammy EM. Congratulations. Here is the envelope I will send to you when I get your address. You look, everything is packed. The journal with the goodies. Well, it's in here, and I will send it to you, like I said, when I have your address. So please contact me. I'll put my email address somewhere, maybe in the comments, maybe in the description. But if you can't find it, well, go to my website. I will write it down for you. Oh no, I can write, of course I can write my email address on here. And that's my name, Hanny, and then that thingy, and then Trompke.nl. That's my email address. You can see it. So please send me a message, Grammy, and again, congratulations. I will send it to you. And thank you all the subscribers. I'm so grateful and I'm so happy. So maybe I will do a giveaway soon again, but I don't know yet. I don't have a journal ready yet for that. So who knows? Thank you. Bye.